Hello everyone, my name is Rodney Pascual, a grade 12 student of STEM in Tansa National Comprehensive High School. In this podcast, I would like to present my weekly reflection in philosophy. So let's start. Stay tuned everyone, enjoy and learn something because this podcast is for you.
Hello everyone, get ready because today we will talk about our week 7 lesson in philosophy, which is the human person in his environment. In the last podcast, we talked about our view towards the human body, mind, and soul, and the human person ancient and contemporary thoughts. So, let's start our podcast for this week. We have three approaches in understanding our relationship in environment, namely the cosmocentric approach, theocentric approach, and anthropocentric approach. In cosmocentric approach, it tells us that everything is interconnected. It means that whatever we do in our environment will affect everything. It shows that human beings are a microcosm of the cosmos, that the universe is reflected in us. It is said that we are the small version of universe. Cosmocentric is a way of viewing universal life and nature as more than just a backdrop to your lives, but as an integral part of who we are. So, what we do in our environment also affects us. Example of this are cutting down trees. It affects us in our life because when there is a heavy rain coming or a typhoon, it will be having flood. So, people must have discipline and take care of the environment to take care of the life of each everyone. In theocentric approach, it is said that God entrusted His creation to us by giving us the role of stewards. It means that each of us must take care of the environment and other creation on what the gods made. It refers to an understanding coming from a religious interpretation. In anthropocentric approach, puts the human person in anthropocentric approach, it puts the human person in dominion over the earth, but it emphasizes the role of God. It is said that we humans are in the tops among everyone else because we are unique and powerful of creation of God that can do everything. But even though we are on the top, we must still care for our own actions because, like I said in the cosmocentric approach, if you ruin environment, it will also ruin you and also affect your life. That's all everyone. I hope you enjoyed and learned something for this weekly reflection in this podcast. Stay tuned everyone. See you in my next update. Bye, God bless, and stay safe.